Hi, my name is Dr. Kelly Hickey.
And my name is Paige Salma Boucher.
We want to invite you to make the most of your experience at the Assembly by joining a project-based learning pod, or PBL, and focus on real challenges in learning mobility.
To participate, when you register for the Assembly, indicate your interest in joining a PBL.
PBLs are not networking groups, discussion circles, or theme session tracks. These groups are designed to create movement at your institution. In this small group, you work with peers from across the field to explore problems, design solutions, and create practical tools you can use at your institution.
This is not about sharing best practices or producing polished answers. Supported by a neutral facilitator, Assembly attendees participating in PBL pods will leave with a framework for implementing change at their institution in a community primed for future collaboration.
Collaboration continues beyond the conference, with opportunities to refine ideas and share outcomes in the acro exchange with other participants.
The result is not just learning, but action, impact, and lasting connection. Make sure to indicate your interest in PBLs when you register for the Assembly. We can't wait to see you in Arlington, Virginia this summer.